Important national parks list in various states. First, Jim Corbett National Park is located Uttarakhand. Jim Corbett National Park is located Uttarakhand. Second, next, Gir National Park is located Gujarat. Very important. Next, Ranthambore National Park is located Rajasthan. Next, Sundarban National Park is located West Bengal. Very important. Next, Panna National Park is situated Madhya Pradesh. Kaziranga National Park is located Assam. Very important. Nanda Devi National Park is located Uttarakhand. Silent Valley National Park is located Kerala. Next, Sariska National Park is located Rajasthan. Kanchenjunga National Park is located Sikkim. Manos National Park is located Assam. Next, Bandipur National Park is located Karnataka. Next, Mudumalai National Park is located Tamil Nadu. Next, Namdapha National Park is located Arunachal Pradesh. Next, Valley of Flowers National Park is located Uttarakhand. Next, Kaibul Lamjao National Park is located Manipur. Next, Gurumara National Park is located West Bengal. Satpura National Park is located Madhya Pradesh. Next, the Keoladeo National Park is located Rajasthan. Dudhua National Park is located Uttar Pradesh. Hemi National Park is located Gujarat. Bhitorkonika National Park is located Odisha. Next, Desert National Park is located Rajasthan. Desert National Park located Rajasthan. রাজস্থানে যেহেতু ডেজার্ট দেখতে পাওয়া যায় সেহেতু মনে রাখা ইজি হয়ে যাবে। ডেজার্ট ন্যাশনাল পার্ক লোকেটেড রাজস্থান। নেক্সট, শ্যাডেল পিক ন্যাশনাল পার্ক ইজ লোকেটেড আন্দামান নিকোবর আইল্যান্ড। নেক্সট, গুরু ঘাসিদাস বা সঞ্জয় ন্যাশনাল পার্ক ইজ লোকেটেড ছত্তিশগড়।